Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to turn on FaceTime on iPhone. So for that, we need to go ahead and open settings. And as a first step, make sure that you signed in your Apple account. So here you should see info about your Apple account. But if not, then here you'll see option sign in. So tap it and sign in your Apple account. If you don't have one, then you'll see the option forgot Apple ID or password or create a new Apple ID. So just select it and follow on-screen instructions. But it is important to be signed in. And then you should see your name on the top. After that, we can set up FaceTime. So scroll down, tap on apps, and in the list search for the FaceTime app. Now, as a first step, you need to toggle on the switch near FaceTime so it will become green. After that, go back in Apps list and select FaceTime once more. Now, if you scroll down, you should see additional information, and it is important to see your email and phone number. In this category you can be reached by FaceTime at. So make sure that you can see your Apple account's email as well as your phone number. Then additionally, you can choose to share your name and photo. And after that, let me show you how to call via FaceTime. So for that, on your home screen or in App Library, find a FaceTime app which looks like that. Open it up, and then you'll see two options, create link and new FaceTime. So if you want a FaceTime person in your contacts list, then choose this green tab, enter the name of the person or its phone number or maybe email, and tap on that green option, FaceTime. So after that, you will immediately call that person. So here we need to slide right to pick up this call. Now, if this person is not in your contacts list or maybe this person has an Android phone, then you can just tap to create link and share this link via messages or mail and so on, Messenger, Facebook, and so on. So you will create a link. Here you'll see this info, join my FaceTime. So again, make sure to fulfill the name of the person or maybe his or her phone number. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.